In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reconcile accounts in Xero step by step so you can make sure your bank balances are accurate and your books are up to date. Reconciling in Xero is one of the most important tasks in bookkeeping because it ensures that what's recorded in your accounting software matches what's actually happening in your bank account. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to check your balances and reconcile transactions the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down menu, select the bank account you want to reconcile. This could be your checking account, savings account, or even a credit card account, depending on what you need to review. After clicking into the account, you'll see a dashboard that shows all your connected bank accounts. On the right-hand side of each account, you'll notice two important numbers. The first is the statement balance. This is the balance coming directly from your actual bank feed, so this is considered the truth based on your real bank records. The second number is the balance in Xero. This is what your books currently say the balance should be, based on the transactions you've recorded. Your goal is to make sure these two numbers match. If they're the same, your account is fully reconciled. If they don't match, that means there are transactions that still need to be reviewed and matched. If you see a blue button that says Reconcile followed by a number of items, go ahead and click that button. The number shown tells you how many transactions are waiting to be reconciled. Once you click it, Xero will take you to the reconciliation screen where you can start matching transactions one by one. On the reconciliation screen, you'll see bank statement lines on one side and suggested matches from your Xero records on the other. Xero is smart and will often automatically suggest a match if it finds a transaction with the same amount and similar details. Carefully review each suggestion to make sure it's correct. If everything matches, simply click OK to reconcile that transaction. If there isn't an automatic match, you have a few options. You can use the Find and Match feature to search for an existing transaction in Xero. This is useful if the transaction was already entered manually but wasn't automatically matched. If the transaction hasn't been recorded yet, you can create it directly from the reconciliation screen by selecting the appropriate account, adding a description if needed, and confirming the details. Continue working through each transaction one at a time. Take your time here because accuracy is key. As you reconcile more items, you'll see the number of unreconciled transactions decrease. Eventually, once every transaction has been matched or created correctly, the statement balance and the balance in Xero will be equal. When that happens, your bank account is officially reconciled. This process should be done regularly, ideally weekly or monthly depending on the size of your business. Staying consistent with reconciliation helps you catch errors early, prevent duplicate entries, and maintain clean financial records. And that's it. That's how you reconcile accounts in Xero step by step. If this video helped you understand the process, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Xero accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.